It's kind of scary when the clapping is that much. Good morning. As you know, my name is Bensi, and I'm married to my beautiful wife, Christy. Thank you. And we have two very good-looking boys, Isaiah and Josiah. Isaiah's the nursery now, so thank you. Man, the clapping is scary, really. I am a missionary. I am a missionary, and I will be so well. My job is to know Jesus and to make him known. To know Jesus is to follow him and to live my life according to his standards. In Psalms 119, verses 14 through 16, David says, I will rejoice in your statutes as one rejoices in great riches. I meditate on your precept and consider your ways. I delight in your decrees. I will not neglect your words. To me, I will do what God tells me to do, and I will go where he sends me. To know Jesus also means to be pure and holy. In 1 Peter 1:16, it says, for it is written, be holy, because I am holy. Or I can say, be pure and blameless, for I am pure and blameless. But since I know that holiness does not come to us by sitting on the couch in front of the TV, I decide to fight. And I am fighting for holiness and for purity in my life and in my family's life. To make him known is for me to live it out for all to see, to live it out to the fullest, and to live it out to impact the life of those around me. I need to quit faking it in my life. I need to quit pretending, so that when you see me, you can be sure that what you see is real. And when the world around me sees me, they can see that Christ is in me. My missions have so many aspects. To be a godly man, to be a godly husband, and the honorable and lovely husband that my wife deserves, so that when she sees me, her heart can smile. To be a godly father, so that when my sons look at me in the eyes, they can see Christ, love, care, respect, integrity. And when they will have to talk about me, they will honestly say that my dad is a godly man, and he is a missionary in the way he made Christ known to us. Oh, in the Navy, I'm not just a man in uniform. I am a missionary. My job is to make Jesus known. I am not the mechanic who just come to fix the tow tractors and trucks and then go home. No, I am the missionary who makes Jesus known as I'm working in the equipment. I am there to represent Christ by showing his love to my other sailors. I show them the love of Christ by the way I talk and through my actions. I make myself available for them. I pray for them. I pray with some of them. And you know what? They've noticed that I am different. I am a missionary. Yes, I am a missionary everywhere I am. I will be so until Christ comes back.